Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all codes you need to redeem in the Dress to Impress Petal update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the codes menu and then you can enter enchanted DC code. Wait, let me show you the code. You can just type in this code in this code menu, enchanted DC. Okay, and then you're going to tap on redeem and then you will unlock this item. And then the second one, you can enter this code. Wait, let me delete it. You can enter angel tanked. Angel tanked. You can use 4 instead of A. Okay, and then click on redeem. Okay, and you will get this helmet. Okay guys, and that's all of the code you can redeem in the Dress to Impress Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!